Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you my jewelry haul. I have did a huge damage to my bank account. I bought a lot of jewelry. I love jewelry. I love shopping. So I have enough excuses there. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So since I have a lot of jewelry, I have decided to make it as two parts. So first will be the oxidized silver and silver jewelry category, and the next will be so artificial gold jewelry. So yeah, so let's start with the part one. This time I have bought a lot of jewelries from several Instagram pages. I have found out a lot of Instagram pages which sells beautiful jewelry, so I got a few of them. So the first page is called the Jewelry Junkies. They are like a bit on the expensive side, but not super expensive. But their quality is so good. I have got two products from them. Let me show you one by one. So these are the first pair of earrings which I have bought from them. They are absolutely gorgeous, and I have seen the similar pattern in, I think, Zaveri poles, but instead of the stones here they have kundan, and the price was also half of this. um, I don't remember the prices exactly because I have bought it like in the past 3 months. So I will definitely put all the links and all the prices in the description box. So please check that out. So this is a very beautiful, huge stud earring with the lotus. Actually, Meenakari. I believe it is Meenakari work, and has white stones all over it, and has white pearl work also. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's not very heavy also, it's very lightweight, but it's really stunning, and I love the color combination. It's a kind of blue, dark blue, with this pink lotus. Is absolutely gorgeous. So this is the first piece which I have got from Jewelry Junkies. I'll put the price either on the screen or in the description box. So these are the next pair of earrings which I bought from Jewelry Junkies. They are super gorgeous again, and they have this maroon stones all over it. Has this beautiful floral design. The detailing is too good, and the quality again is top notch, and it's very lightweight. Again, it's very lightweight. When I saw them on the picture, I thought that it will be heavier side, but no, it's very lightweight and it's very comfortable to
So the
wear.
next pair of earring is this gorgeous piece from an Instagram page called Malt Box, and they have a website and they have an app also. So I got this from their app when they were having a sale or something. And again, their jewelry pieces are a bit expensive, I should say, but their quality again is absolutely amazing and their pieces are so unique and so stunning. So as you can see, this is a very beautiful piece. It's again very lightweight. It has this peacock stud and chandbali kind of thing, and they have stones all over it, and they have gorgeous pearls hanging over, and they have very intricate design, and I absolutely loved it. I got only one piece from them because feeling little, what to say, guilty for buying a lot of stuff already. But they were having a sale, and I had my eyes on this piece for a really long time. So I got this, and I don't regret it at all, of course. But yeah, this is the single piece which I have got, and yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. I'll put the links again in the description box below, so please check that
The
out.
packaging of this one was like these plastic bags, and it came in a cardboard box. It didn't come in any plastic box or something. Maybe I have ordered only one, that's why they sent it to me like this. But my jewelry was safe, and that was more than enough for me. But the other two pieces came in a box. I'll show you which one. Yeah, so a box like this, which was very convenient, and I can store them with that. And they send a handwritten note. I don't know where I kept it. That's a very a beautiful gesture, and I really
And
really
next
liked
up,
it.
Next up, I bought this beautiful set from an Instagram page called Nia Jewelry, Nia Silver Jewelry. I waited for this for a really long time because I saw this in that Quirky Miss video when she got her birthday gifts, and this piece was there, and I was waiting since then. I checked with the brand, and they said like it's yet to be launched, and I was waiting for, I think, 1 or 2 months, and they once they launched it, I immediately grabbed this piece. It costed me around 1300, but I must say it's worth every penny. It's a choker, it's a high neck choker. It's a very beautiful, it has a very beautiful peacock design with green and red stones. They have some beads work here and with the green beads, and it looks absolutely stunning. I am not a big fan of chokers because I have a round face and I feel like chokers won't suit me. But this one looks absolutely gorgeous, and yeah, I don't regret this purchase at all. I think that was the first time I spent that much money on an artificial jewelry piece. So, and it came with these two matching earrings. I'm not sure whether I will be wearing it when I'll wear the choker, but yeah, it's very simple. You can wear it as it is, and it's a very gorgeous piece, and I'll cherish this forever because I loved it so much, and I must say it was worth the wait and worth every penny. And they have sent this in a very beautiful packaging. Their packaging is to die for, I must say. It was like getting a real jewelry. It was like something of a Tanishq packaging or something. So yeah, it was that good, and my mom liked that box a lot, so she kept it. So I don't have it with me. I'll put a picture somewhere on the screen. That's how it looks. It's absolutely gorgeous. So this is the other piece which I have got. So next piece is again from an Instagram store. As I told, I have bought a lot of stuff from a lot of Instagram stores this time, and this is from a page called Kajal Jewelry. Their delivery was so quick. Actually, it was really quick. I ordered, and they delivered it in 2 to 3 days, which was really commendable. And their quality is also quite good. I don't remember, I think I have paid 550 or something for this. And yeah, it's a green color. I know it, in the camera it shows somewhat bluish teal color, but it's proper green color stones. And it comes with these matching earrings with chotu sa jhumka. So yeah, this is the other piece. The quality is not that great, but yeah, for the price you're paying, you're getting a decent quality item, and it's very beautiful. I really liked this one. It's not a high neck choker, but it is a choker necklace. So next up, I got a few stuff from an Instagram store called Abhushan Store. They have really affordable stuff, and not a wide range of products, but they have quite a lot of stuff, and in a very affordable price. So, and their delivery was also pretty quick. So yeah, this is the first piece I have ordered from them. It's a huge neck piece. I don't know whether I'll be ever wearing them because it's not my style at all, but I wanted to experiment, and it was not so expensive as well. It was for around 300 something, so I wanted to try it out. And this is in navy blue color, and it came with the matching earrings. I will definitely use, but I'm not sure about the neck piece, and it's quite heavy also, but it's really beautiful. And the quality also is not that bad, and it's not absolutely amazing, but for the price you are paying, again you are getting pretty decent quality product. Their customer service is also really nice, and all of them are like pretty nice with the customers, and their responses were like, this is the other quick pair which I bought from Abhushan store. It's a very lightweight earring, very pretty, with purple or magenta stones on this, and it's very lightweight. I really like this one. It was for 100 rupees or 150 rupees, very affordable, and the quality is also quite nice. Yeah, it's really good. Next one is this pair of earrings. It's very heavy actually, but I like heavy earrings, so it works for me, and it's for 100 rupees, and the quality for 100 rupees is really good. So this is the last piece which I got from Abhushan stores, um, and they have sent me only one. Actually, I got the other one with another Instagram store order. It's a nose pin actually, but I already have a piercing on, so I am going to use this as my ear cuff or something. Let's see, but it's a really good gesture. So by this, I think I have finished all my oxidized silver and silver jewelry part. So there will be a part 2, as I mentioned in the beginning, which will have all traditional and golden artificial gold jewelry haul. So it will be really amazing, so stay tuned for that, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please share it with your friends and family. That will mean a lot to me. And thank you so much. Bye.